YouTube, Bully Fam. What's poppin', man? What's cracking, man? We back with another one, man. Know it's been a while since we been on, man, but we back, man. This drop, this Ralo letter, man, 3 times to Miyagi's. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Girl coming through down for us, 9-piece. 7 girls, 2 boys. 3 chais. 4 merles. 2 ghost tries. Yes, sir. Yes, we do have some pups available. Solids starting at 3,500. The tries 4K, and the merles going for 6K. So if you're interested, tap in with Midwest Fire Bullies Indy on IG, or you can hit our number at 317-909-7103. Yes, sir. 317-909-7103. If you're interested, hit me up. First come, first serve. And they going hotter than them packs on the curve. Yes, sir.